Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. And so I've done a couple videos already on this one, but I just wanted to go back over it. So this is Terry over here off to the side. Terry and Dave, they were in here doing some other maintenance work. And while they were doing that, we discovered that the roof had some tears in it. Well, it wasn't tears like you would normally see from like a tree branch or something like that, or they hit something. It was actually from a rodent. So either a squirrel or a bird. We think it was a bird, but some kind of bird ended up chewing up the sealant, putting a bunch of pinholes and tears into the actual roof material. They even went after the AC gasket. And then this thing is a 2017. So that's actually pretty good then, guys. So, you know, this unit's already 8 years old with a roof membrane, and they typically, you know, the warranty of those membranes. So this is something that people a lot of times don't understand. They hear this, my roof has got a 10-year or 12-year warranty. Hooray! That's totally wrong. The membrane is warranted, depending upon the manufacturer, for 10 to 12 years to last from the elements if you properly clean it and maintain it. Now, there's also a whole bunch of stuff that goes back and forth on these about, you know, you don't have to clean it. You don't have to do nothing to it. Only wash it with Dawn dish soap. Only wash it with spick and span, no bleach. Well, there's, I think, 12 major companies, including Dicor and Alpha, that also makes a roof membrane cleaner. Now, over the years, we've kind of generic that and called that, you know, a rubber roof. So there's TPO roofs, there's PVC roofs, there's rubber roofs, there's EPDM roofs, there's all different types of roofs, you know, whether it be fiberglass. There's a bunch of different chemistries that they've used over the years. So anyways, the bottom line is, you know, it's just like having soap or shampoo. You know, tell your wife, hey, just wash your hair with a bar of soap, right? She's going to slap the bejesus out of you. So she's going to want her special soap, and she's going to want her special conditioners for her hair, right? So it's the same thing with this. You don't have to do anything to it. You can just let it damage it and rot it and call it good. But check out some of our other articles, videos, and posts where we talk about like which soaps and products that we use. We've tried them all. You know, I've been doing this now for 25 years. So sorry I'm going on a tangent about it, but the bottom line is folks, we make these videos to try to help you. So whether it's you're doing it, we're doing it, some other shop's doing it, find out what type of chemicals they're using, find out what kind of cleaners they're using, stay consistent on the brand, you know, make sure that you are cleaning them. You know, it's a good idea to give them a scrub every 3 to 4 months, depending on your area. It's always a great idea to come out and take a look at the roofs and make sure that, you know, when you went in and out of a tight driveway that nothing flexed and came loose. Side moldings move, front caps moldings move, the rear moldings move, air conditioners move all the time. I mean, you name it, everything up there is moving and expanding and contracting. So this particular coach, again, was damaged by some kind of a rodent, or, you know, we believe is bird damage. So we found this during an inspection that we provide for free, and it was in here for some other maintenance. So he was actually due for a roof reseal, and we called them up and said, hey, you need a roof reseal. But then after the fact, we went back up there as the guys went up there and looked at it thoroughly, found a bunch of damage to it. So the customer was able to go ahead and call it into their insurance. Insurance covered it. And now we've got a unit that's got an 8-year-old roof that's getting a brand new roof with a brand new guarantee of that membrane. Of course, we're going to do some tricks to it, and there's other little things that we inject and seal differently. Sometimes we'll add secondary moldings and whatnot just to protect it. So, but anyways, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for listening to me rattle, and stay tuned for more. Have a great day.